Hi friends, today I'm going to show you a dynamic search Excel sheet in which you can dynamically search your data like you do on Google search. So for example, if you want to search something on Google, you know that Google starts showing search suggestions as soon as you type in the search box. So for example, if I want to search Mission Impossible, I will write mission and now you can see that Google has suggested me Mission Impossible and all other things related to the what I typed in the search box. Just like that, our Excel will work based on the data I have fed in. In this video, I am only going to show you how this works. And please comment in the comment box if you want the tutorial for this. Here you can see we have the name of movies in these cells, the year in which they were released, and the genres. Now I can search the movie by just typing like this. For example, I want to search Free Guy. This is Free Guy. I want to search Indiana Jones. IND, and here it is. Also, you can change the release year, the type of search you can do on this. Like if you want to search all the movies from a specific year, so you can do this by clicking on this release year. Now the search box converts into search by year. So for example, if I wanted to search the movies which are released in year 2018, so I will type 2018 and you can see it has filtered out all the movies that are released in 2018. Or I can say I want to see the movies which are going to be released in 2022. So I will type 22. Since 22 is appearing on 2022, so it has filtered out all the movies that are going to be released in 2022. Also, you can search by genres of the movie. So first of all, you are seeing that here we have two genres. So a movie can be from a genre crime and also can be from a genre drama. So that's why some of the movies are having two genres assigned to them. So when you click on genre, you see that these icons are highlighted when I am clicking. So I clicked on genre, and as soon as you click on genre, you see that two combo box appear. First, you can search genre 1, and the second you can search genre 2. So let's see. I want to see a movie which has drama and comedy. Let's see if you find movies like that. Drama. Okay. It has filtered out all the movie that has genre 1 as drama. Now in the second combo box, I will type, say, let's find out romance. Yes, it has filtered out all the movies which are from the genres drama and romance. So like this, you can search, you can dynamically search the list. You can dynamically search the list, whatever your data could be. And the second thing is that you can also add data. You can also add more data. You can see that the list currently contains 100 entries. Now you can extend those entries to as many as you want. You can see that here I have the second sheet named as data. When I click on data, you will see all the data. This is the raw data. This is the raw data that I have linked on in this dynamically filter sheet. So you can add in more data below this, and the dynamic filter still works on those additional data as well.